Okay, for these tips you need Scrapbox for rotated proxy, bot proxy for keyword finding, Ahref as SERP state, um, SEMrush, keyword revealer, keyword sheeter, whatever you have is okay. Even alone in the Scrapbox you can find a lot of keyword. So I'm gonna show you using Ahref. For Ahref, you're gonna first go keyword explorer tab, then you will find any like best juicer 2020. Okay, then best juicer. From here you have to go to main some authority website. From there you're gonna pick up all their keyword. I'm gonna go where is competing the best user. Example healthy kitchen. All is subdomain. Then organic keyword. Let me show you another way. When you go to seed keyword best juicer, then select one authority website best juicer to is what's the DR45 overview, and go to competing domain. From competing domain you're gonna grab a couple of domain you think that your competitor, or you can copy their keyword. So let me open that one. It's showing you have to change it to the domain without subdomain, so it's gonna show you multiple domain. That time I'm gonna usually select which one is more than 5%. From here I'm gonna select this domain, paste. I'm not looking here a specific my niche type. The reason I don't looking because in those side you get a lot of keyword that which one is really less competitive. If you have any other website you can implement that keyword too. And if I want to go in the niche type I have to select only the URL, and for that URL how many keywords ranking I have to figure it out that one. I don't want to go this way because I'm gonna do like 5,000 6,000 keyword altogether, so I'm not that specific type. Now you're gonna go this website and find five more website from each competing domain, so you will get the time at least 10 to 15 five from the each competing domain. It comes out almost 30 domain. If I go 30 domain, I'm not going in the other competing domain, it's gonna take a long time, so I'm showing you with the only example of the 10 domain. Now I select this domain, I will go dig deep of this domain. Competing domain, competing domain. From here I'm gonna select five more domain. Juicy Nation, Blender Republic, now I get 10 domain, and I got direct URL to find the keyword. I'm gonna close those one. Now I'm gonna open a website called URL opener. Here if I paste this URL it's gonna open all together. Open all, yeah. So if you have a like 100 domain you can open 100 tab. It's gonna show 20 result. I select from here for my own analysis. I select the URL here only which one getting traffic 20. If I put it 0, if I put it zero traffic, it's also show the zero traffic page too. I'm not gonna, for this is okay with the zero traffic. For my own analysis when I do for my client work I do which one have like at least 20 traffic, I check those one. You can change it for yourself from zero traffic. Now I open all of them. I got the keyword list. I'm gonna export it. I'm gonna export it in the desktop. New folder. Just give me a second. Save it. I'm gonna save all this domain. It's a small amount. I'm not gonna save it. This is also a small amount. And just for example, I'm not gonna show that because it will take time. Then again, I'll go my my Excel sheet. Then here is for those listed website, I have Ahrefs keyword page link for which keyword they are ranking for. This was the top pages, and this is the top keyword. So I'm gonna go this link, go here, paste here, and open the 10 pages again. Here's only 6. I'm not gonna waste time. I'm not showing here because it's gonna take time, but otherwise if I do my own project, I'm gonna export it. And another one, let me check. Here is showing the less amount because I select traffic 30. So whatever getting more than 30 visitor is showing only those one. Let me save this one. Here only showing 6. Only showing 66. Now I got all my keyword. I'm gonna separate this one because those file structure are different. Now I'm gonna open command prompt cmd and I have another code. I'm gonna paste it here. Where is cmd? It's gonna merge all the file in keyword.csv. So it comes in all in the one file. Let me do the same thing for that one. cmd is gonna be key1.csv. Okay, it comes here. Now I'm gonna open that keyword. How many keyword I got? Let me check. 8,311. Let me copy that one and open a Scrapbox. I have to remove duplicate. Just give me a second. Then open that one. Where is the keyword? The rank for top keyword. Yeah. Now paste again here. Now I'm gonna do keyword scraper. Get the list from main. Here some of them you get like duplicate keyword, but it's not gonna have a problem. And post prefix, I'm gonna add append A to Z. With the each keyword is gonna add A, B, C, D, E, F to Z, and that time is gonna scrape Google suggestion from those keywords. Now it's gonna be 15,000 keyword. You see, delete that one. It now become 15,000 keyword. From there I'm gonna look on the level 1. If I go to the level 2, it's gonna go dig deep more, and I'm gonna select source only the Google suggest. If you select Amazon suggestion, YouTube suggestion, Bing, is gonna come almost 50k to 100k keyword. I'm not gonna do that. now I start this one. Start select proxies. Yes. Is found 62 keyword, 67, 3 keyword per second. Let me stop that one. I'm gonna increase the increase settings. Control A, Control C. Where is the customer setting? Tools, settings, preference. Keyword scraper 50. Increase it to 100. And connection email grabber harvester 30. I'm not gonna show this way because it will take time a lot, but you can increase your setting if you check a Scrapbox tutorial. I'm gonna go only with this keyword, the one I get it from the I get it from Ahrefs. If I go this way, I have to keep my Scrapbox open like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I don't wanna make it longer, this video. So from here I'm gonna remove the duplicate. It's only showing 558. Let me check. Why is showing 558? It's not gonna be 558. Only from this keyword list it comes a lot. Scrapbox. Okay, 152. Another one. Oh no, I said that time 8000 is showing 311. It's because of the Ahrefs. Ahrefs is showing only the traffic page one, but if you go with the Scrapbox, including A, B, C, and all the suggestion, it comes almost 3-4,000 or 10,000. Let me check. I'm gonna add in Scrapbox. Control V, and the remove duplicate. It comes 400. So from 400, I can do the key with the keyword research. Scrapbox is 400. And without append, I'm gonna check only the suggestion one. It comes 10 times more that time. Yeah. Let's see. Wait for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna show the bot proxy setup. Close this one. No. Check. It's showing the keyword less amount. It should be more. Let me check again to confirm. Yeah, it's really less amount. Okay, no problem. Our work gonna be done. Now, close this one. I don't need this one. This one. Only need this one. Okay. I showed SERP competitive domain save it in domain top keyword URL save it in for 30 domain merge all in CSV open in Excel copy to script box did from script box again find keyword. Okay, doing that. Okay, this one to buy a script box you can go this link. It comes from $100 it comes 67 USD. I forget it. I told you in front of the video or not, just showing you this URL. And for proxy setup, let me log out. Let's go to the dashboard. Here they will give you the default username and password, and when you are adding proxy in a script box, that time you have to put this URL, username and password. And if you modify that username, you can add your specific country, which country you want to connect it. I select only US, UK, and AU, Canada, and France. I didn't select India, Netherlands, most of the time IP blocked, and Singapore most of the time IP blocked, and that's why I select only those country. And now is a script box. You see here I modify this one. It's connected from only those countries. So every connection a script box created is connected from different IP address. Now I show, give me a second. Okay, their plan gonna cost you $10 a month, 10 GB included. If you need more GB, if you do regular search, is not gonna take you a lot of bandwidth. But if you want to check a screenshot of the website, if you want to visit website and looking for any code, that time you have to pay a lot. You can go to the bigger plan. What I have to show you another thing. Okay, after we get a lot of keyword, now we'll check the Google competition. Google competition usually in KGR method, he showed that we have to find all in title, and whatever the result is comes, we're gonna put in a Google sheet or Excel sheet. I'm not gonna show you that process. I show you how you can get the value, then you can do yourself. Yeah, it's already available in YouTube. You just need to know how to use the Scrapbox and where you get the bot, because a lot of people don't know where he can get a cheaper rotated proxy. This one is called bot proxy, is cheaper, and that's it. So I'm gonna stop it for 1500 keyword. Let me check. After 1500 I'm gonna stop it. From 400 keyword is already search 282 keyword. Okay, now stop it. Transfer result to left side. Okay, I did it. Now copy it, Control A, Control X. Now I'm gonna paste it here. More. remove duplicate. Okay, it comes 15 for from 400 keyword, it comes 1500. So what time now is now? My video tutorial is now 30 minutes 30 seconds. My local time is 7:30 p.m. Now I'm gonna select add-on. All these tools have a lot of uses. If you know how to use and if you use day-to-day life, it's gonna save you a lot of time. Personally, I use a lot to checking Google, who using in the local search result, who using Google AdWord, and who using Facebook ad. Whoever not using Facebook retargeting option, I usually send them cold email and tell them that what's the benefit he can get using Facebook ad. I try to sell the social media service to them. This one can save a lot of time. Now I'm gonna check competition finder. You're gonna select 4 connection, because here you see only 1 2 3 4 they're gonna connect from the 4 country, but in the backend server they have like 1000 IP. So every connection, every keyword, they are sending requests to Google. They connect from the different IP. So Google not gonna block soon. If it block, or if it not get any result, Scrapbox automatically connected with the another IP. If they have a white level IP in the bot proxy, if the bot proxy provider or the any proxy provider have a less IP, you're not gonna be connected. So let's show import keyword. Import from Scrapbox. Now I have to select that one, use proxy. So it's connected with it's gonna connect with the proxy. Exit keyword, delay every, I put 1 second. Connection, if you have a lot of IP, you can select like 50 connection. So every second is gonna give you the 50 keyword result. I have a less IP in a backend, so I select only, usually I select 1 connection and the 1 second for show it quicker. I don't know are they gonna block my IP or not, but I'm showing you with the using the 4 connection. Let's see, start connection. You see, for this keyword they have only 1720 result. Even though it's not done, you have to check manually. See, if you see delaying reading, that means the IP may be blocked, so they try the next IP. If you're able to check like 3000 keyword every day, it's okay. You get a lot of KGR keyword. Usually I do other things after running this Scrapbox, and I do other things in the computer, so it's not gonna, I don't have to wait a long time. You see, but this funny waterpark course, even though it's not related with your niche, but it's I have only 144 results. Ninja Blender, Black Friday, Best Buy is a like brand keyword for the Best Buy. It's not gonna outdate. Nifty Ninja Professional Blender is you can target. Let's see how many they have. Let me stop this one. It's taking too much time. I don't have that patience. I'll try again. First, I'll do again. Let me first copy this one. If it crash, that time I have to do it again. All of this. Where is? One delay connection, one delay 1 second. Import keyword from here is local time. Let me check. See how long it will take. It's more quicker. I'm gonna do the 10 minutes. Let's see within 10 minutes how many is showing result. I'm not gonna wait that long. After that, this URL opener. Also, you can do the other thing. I'm gonna show this one here. It's showing completed 26 2 minute and the not completed 15-14. There's them working inside. Now if you put review here, select United States, and it's gonna come on the phrase match. It's showing a lot of keyword here. Now volume, you put 1000. Even though in the KGN method they select less amount, I select 1000. If the no one looking at least for 1000 people, it's not gonna out it. It's showing 5076 keyword. Let me less max keyword 30 KD. 36, 33 keyword you found. Also, if you want to go in the long tail, then let me check for keyword. 1300 keyword you found. So if you export those one, all and if you copy this keyword, then Then in the Scriptbox keyword finder, if you add with every keyword A, B, C, D, everything, and it's gonna suggest you the Google suggestion too. From this 1300 keyword, you can get at least 3000 or 5000 keyword. If you get 5000 keyword, from 5000 keyword, figure it check using all in title here, and you'll find a lot of good KGR keyword which have like the word review. Now looking for, now is this pattern. It's okay, let me open this one. I'm doing something beside that because it's taking time. What's the code is showing? Concate, maybe. Concate. Concatenate. B2. Check B1. Okay. Now if I add my keyword best, I have to change this one. Concate. This is which one? Where is the number? B1, B2, B3. Now first B1, B1, B2, then B3. No, first B2, then B1, then B3. So okay. So every time it's gonna show which one is the KD, meaning less than 30, volume 1000 and max, and a word count more than 4. So if I customize this one, with the review, whatever have a review, it's gonna show now here. The one have a word review is gonna show here. Now if I want to find out in Ahrefs database whatever have a word compare or comparison is correct spelling. like comparison word. If I click here, it's gonna show from the whole Ahrefs database. They have the keyword with the comparison. Yes, wait, it's 20 word keyword. And let me check, remove the volume. With the, if I remove volume, the time is give you 12,000 keyword. Now check. Now let me check my local SEO sheet. I will show you the another sheet I use. Keyword. Let me check here. For my local SEO, I use all time this sheet. Let me go my agency document. City name plus keyword. Okay. Yeah. Here is this one. So for the for my own analysis, for my local SEO, I add niche name like web design, let me check, and SEO expert. Okay, it's gonna show I have like a whole USA country list, big city list here. Whoever have like 50,000 or more in population is gonna show here. So from that I take only 700 list because I have a keyword revealer lifetime deal. So we in there keyword revealer, you can check 700 keyword. Let me show you. I select that one, copy, and if you add import keyword, now here search location United States, all language search is gonna show me which one have a good keyword volume. Like from 600 entries, if I select by monthly volume, it's gonna show all the volume. Let me show you 100. You see, there's more than 100 people searching this city. Then I will copy those keyword and check in the all in title or check in the Ahrefs wherever I want. The same way I'm gonna do from this keyword within 50. Let's wait 3 more minutes. We'll check how many keyword give me the result. It's completed only 173. I don't know why it's too slow, but when you guys buy that time you can try. I do all time the quicker way. Today it's showing slow, but it's OT. Oh, within 15 minutes I check like 180 keywords. Then I will show you how I can check the competition in again I'm gonna check the KD of this keyword, because sometimes KD also give you the good signal. Sometimes keyword revealer gonna good signal. Keyword revealer depend on the Moz DAPA, and the Ahrefs depends on their own measurement way. They measure by the link. Usually keyword difficulty 10 means 20 links, 4 means 10 links, 5 means 10 12 links. They have a chart, so you will figure it out how many links you need to beat that keyword. If there is a high authority site, it's tough to beat, but most of the time it's okay to guess how many keyword you need. After 1 minute I'm gonna close. If the video is too long, almost 51 minutes, I'm talking too much. And it's first time here. I didn't do any screencast before. Wow. Grow Parkfield Faucet review have only 6 results. Magic Bullet Accessories UK 1200. Bullet Prime Costco. Costco is a brand name, it's not gonna go there. Baby Bullet storage container is good for the e-commerce. I'm gonna stop it. 15 minutes is give me how many results? Export keyword and result to file. Export keyword result and file, where I'm gonna put, and let me move the screen. Desktop. Where is March training? March simple. Okay, then I'm gonna import in Ctrl C. Where is Excel? Text to column, delimited, and what the separator is, this one separator. So it's gonna automatically separate. Yeah. Now filter. What is filter? Sort by number filter less than 500 results. From how many word is search? Whatever is from 1537 is maybe search 200 or 300. Let me delete that one. In 15 minutes, search 237. Let me guess 250. From 250 keyword, how many keyword we find is like good amount. Sort by smallest to largest. Less than 500 result we found. How many? It's showing 105 from 500. 105 keyword we found which is less than 500 result. So if I go take this, take those keyword, and keyword revealer is gonna show me the volume. You see, whole house water filter Lowe's. Lowe's is a brand name. Whole house water filter for wells. Cross faucet purse is showing the monthly volume 590. And let me check the difficulty evaluation. If I'm not gonna check and evaluate here, I'm gonna do it manually. 100 keyword I have to do manually, but I get something which don't have a lot of competition. Let me check this one, evaluate here. It's gonna show me the rank. It's showing domain competition 41, page authority 5138 is too much, and the domain authority 96 30. Domain one website have domain authority 30. If domain authority 30 have in that rank, you can do that. If there's a 2 or 3 domain, it's gonna be super easy, but only one domain is tough because they have external how many link they have, you have to check in the Ahrefs. Let me check for the other keyword. Cheapest notable is gonna be competitive too. That's how you get a lot of keyword which have a low result, like 300, 400, 500. And I'm gonna show you here another thing. What I did here, I mentioned here. You can check in it. That's it. Let me close this one.